I'm going to show you a quick alternative for foam roller for relaxing muscles and so on. This is an alternative if you do not get a foam roller, like in my situation. I could not get one easily, it's not easily available. This is not necessarily a replacement for a foam roller, but you can use it in place of it if you do not get a proper foam roller. Advantage is, of course, you can also get the length that suits you and also the type of surface that suits you. And it's very good also for the quad muscles. For the quad muscles to take up and down here. Of course you must press a little bit hard. You must press hard here for the peripheries. But you must press hard. The advantage here, of course, is that while a foam roller, you can roll on it, a foam roller cannot necessarily get here the insides. This is the advantage. It's also for the calf. And if you then need something for your back, you can just place it against the wall or something and just lean against it. Just lean against it. Just lean against it. Lean against it. Lean against it. Lean against it for the back muscles. But as I say, it is a good alternative if you do not have one. It does not necessarily replace it, but it is better than nothing. And it is only a few rounds. Thank you very much for watching this video. We love constructive comments and criticism. Please subscribe. Please like and share this video.